Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this border. It's one round, it's a square border. It's easy, quick and very beautiful. For this you will need a crochet thread. This is a cotton crochet thread. Your crochet hook, this is size 125. Your dining needle. Make sure that your crochet hook goes easily through the fabric. If not, choose a smaller size hook. Let's start. Insert your hook into the fabric. Attach the thread with a slip stitch. Chain 6. The last 3 stitches are to replace the first double crochet. 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. One double crochet in each of the next chains, so it's a total of 3 double crochet plus the first 3 chains, so they are 4. Now let's work our next or second square. Leaving a space in your fabric of about 1 double crochet and work 1 double crochet into the fabric. Chain 3 to replace the first double crochet, and around this double crochet just work 3 double crochet. That's our second square. The same instructions for the next square. So leave a space of about 1 double crochet, the length of 1 double crochet, and 1 double crochet in your fabric. Chain 3 to replace the first double crochet, and 3 double crochets around the double crochet just worked in the fabric. The same instructions are to follow to work your next squares. Work your border all the way along your crochet project. Finish with a single crochet in the fabric. Fasten off and use your needle to hide the 2 ends. Please check out the link to the written pattern of this mini border in the description box below this video. I hope you've learned something new today. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope to see you next time. Bye.